Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Dodge Journey Crossroad all-wheel drive, stock number E1674P. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Redline pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Let's receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. 50/50 split folding third row seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Crossroad has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Get only 19,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and separate rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Additional storage in the front passenger seat. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey is a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.